Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Dairy Queen cotton candy blizzard. First, gather your ingredients: vanilla soft serve, cotton candy flavored syrup, and some actual cotton candy pieces. You'll also need a good blender or a strong mixing tool to get that perfect, thick consistency. This simple recipe brings the fun of the fair right to your kitchen, creating a delightful treat everyone will love. Now, let's create the base. Add your vanilla soft serve and the cotton candy syrup into your blender. Blend these two ingredients together until they are completely smooth and evenly combined. You want to make sure there are no streaks of syrup left, ensuring every spoonful has that wonderful cotton candy taste and a perfectly thick, creamy texture. Next, it's time to add the fun cotton candy pieces. Gently fold these into your blended mixture using a spoon or spatula. Be careful not to overmix, as you want to keep some of that delightful chewiness and vibrant color. Distribute the pieces evenly throughout the blizzard for a burst of flavor and texture in every bite, making it truly special. Finally, your homemade cotton candy blizzard is ready. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into your favorite serving cup. For an extra touch of magic, you can top it with a few more wisps of cotton candy. Serve it immediately to enjoy its perfect, frosty texture and delightful flavor. This sweet treat is sure to be a hit with everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.